A smart contract is a piece of code that executes the terms of a contract on its own. This means it can automatically monitor, execute, and enforce a legal agreement. In the case of a contract, the clauses would be mapped on a code on the blockchain, which prevents retroactive alteration, making smart contracts unmodifiable and final. But what is blockchain? Well, simply put, it's digital information held in the blocks, which are then stored in a public database, which is the chain. It's a decentralized system, meaning there are many computers that capture and check all the inputs. This enhances reliability, which may be less certain in a centralized system. Smart contracts are perfectly suited for agreements between two parties, without third-party validation, such as the execution of contracts. The sale of a house could be operated through smart contracts, but they could also allow information in public registries or property ownership to be stored publicly and safely on the blockchain. But why would this be beneficial? As we previously mentioned, blockchain technology makes smart contracts unmodifiable. The technology also allows the verification of a contract's proper execution by all participants. Take a property transaction, for example. Blockchain would allow all the information to be brought together into one trusted environment. At no point could the data be changed, and its source may be determined with certainty. This could be particularly useful for a bank, who could access all of the documentation and each signature before giving the mortgage. Another interesting example is Ethereum blockchain, which aside from offering smart contracts, also provides the opportunity to use its own cryptocurrency as a medium of payment. However, the transition to blockchain will not be swift, as institutions will have to get used to it. Take the land registry Digital Street project, which has given itself a long time window until 2030 to familiarize itself with this technology. Moreover, dealing with void contracts could pose a challenge, since any smart contract once executed cannot be legally reversed. Smart contracts offer new opportunities for the legal profession. Instead of replacing written contracts, it is now common for smart contracts to operate in tandem with them. Overall, this is undoubtedly an exciting feature for the future of the legal environment.